Hi, I'm Rohan Almeida and welcome to Hands-on Webpack for React Development by Pact Publishing. A little bit about me. I currently work as a full-stack developer and I have more than 15 years of experience in developing web applications as well as systems development and automation. Currently love working in Python and I develop web applications using React. I also love teaching and I believe teaching is one of the best ways to learn. In this course, you will have a hands-on experience in using Webpack for creating front-end applications using the React framework. You will get familiar with various concepts like the Webpack entry point, Webpack plugins, loaders. You'll also learn about React components, state, and props. And we'll have a look at some advanced Webpack concepts like code splitting and lazy loading. In section 1, we'll take a look at how Webpack acts as a module bundler and bundles our source code, including JavaScript, CSS, SCSS, and images into a single output file. You will learn how to install Node, and from there, how to install and set up Webpack so that you can build, bundle, and deploy a simple React application. In section 2, we'll take a look at Webpack loaders and how it helps us to load React, JSX, CSS, SCSS, as well as images into a single output file. And Webpack loaders can also help us with image compression. In section 3, we'll take a look at Webpack Dev Server, which is an amazing utility which can greatly enhance your development workflow. Webpack Dev Server auto-reloads our application whenever we make changes to our code and save the file. And not only your JavaScript code, if you make changes to your CSS as well, your app will be automatically reloaded in your browser. And we will take a look at HMR, Hot Module Replacement, where if you make a change to a particular React component, only that part of the page refreshes and not the entire page. Section 4 is going to be all about React. We'll build a blogging application which can list articles, create articles, delete articles, search for articles. We'll be doing all that in React. We'll also build a simple Node.js backend service, and we'll use a Postman application to test our API. And in the end, we'll use some CSS to enhance the UX of our blogging application. Section 5 is about Advanced Webpack. We'll take a look at some must-have Webpack plugins. We'll take a look at code splitting and lazy loading, which are concepts which you have to learn when you have to build production-ready applications. So what are the prerequisites? You should be familiar with JavaScript and HTML. That will help a lot. If you already know React, that's great. You can either use Windows, Linux, or Mac. You will need to install Node, Visual Studio Code, which is a code editor, and Postman is an application which greatly helps you to debug your API services. In this course, we will write a small Node.js backend service, and Postman will help us over there.
About the Webpack version used in this video course. The currently available version is Webpack 4. During the development of this video course, Webpack 3 was the stable version. So please note that all the source code provided in this video course is not compatible with Webpack 4. So I request you to manually install Webpack 3. Don't worry though, whatever you learn and everything that you learn in this video course related to Webpack, all that you learn will empower you to easily make the transition from Webpack 3 to Webpack 4.
So what are our video course goals? You will greatly understand Webpack and how you can use Webpack to build, bundle, and deploy React applications. You'll also gain a great understanding of how React works. You'll be able to create React containers and components and learn how React handles props and state. And you will learn React Router, which helps you to create sections of your app. You will be able to configure Webpack for production applications, where you can then use code splitting to split a Webpack bundle into multiple bundles and use lazy loading to only load bundles when required from the server side.